What would Spain be like without the Moors? In 711, the Moors, a mixture of Berbers and Arabs from northern Africa, invaded the Iberian Peninsula and established their rule there. However, the Christian kingdoms fought against them until they were finally beaten and driven from the country, along with the Jews, in 1492. This cut-and-dry synopsis gives the impression that the chapter covering 700 years of Moorish influence in Spain was clearly and definitively closed in 1492. Nothing could be further from the truth. The legacy and influence of the Moors is a crucial part of what makes Spain, Spain. For instance, some of the most impressive structures in Spain are Moorish. The Giralda in Seville, the Alhambra in Granada, and the Mosque of Cordoba. We can thank the Moors for introducing lemons, oranges, apricots, peaches, pomegranates, cumin, nutmeg, and figs to the peninsula. Some of Spain's traditional foods are based on agricultural products introduced by the Moors. For example, earth nuts or chufas that the traditional horchata beverage is made of are native to Africa. Two of the ingredients of paella, rice and saffron, were also introduced by the Moors, as were almonds that are used to make Spanish sweets like marzipan and turrón. What instrument is more emblematic of Spain than the guitar, which evolved from the Moorish oud? Flamenco itself is an admixture of Moorish and Gypsy musical traditions. The Romance languages that developed in Iberia were spoken alongside Arabic. This resulted in about 4,000 Arabic words being adopted into Spanish, words like azur, hasta, aceite, limón, sandía, and barrio. Scientific advances in the areas of chemistry, astronomy, and physics were pioneered by the Arabs, along with the concept of zero and the Arabic numbers we use today. Imagine how laborious it would be to carry out advanced mathematics using Roman numerals. Early Greek and Roman philosophy had been lost in the West, but conserved by the Arabs. The school of translators based in Toledo was responsible for reintroducing these works into Europe, as well as disseminating scientific and philosophical knowledge from India, China, and Persia, all of which set the stage for the later Renaissance in Europe. But let's not forget the Spanish people themselves. Arabic names such as Hebreo, Aznar, Raval, Medina, Ramos, Merida, and Almeida are common in Spain, and it is estimated that about 11% of Spaniards have Moorish ancestors. While Spain is politically, religiously, and socially European, it is important not to forget the deep Moorish roots that underlie many of the things that make Spain, Spain.